Now next topic is a basic structure of FER filters. The first structure is a transversal structure. So this transversal structure contains n multipliers, n minus 1 adders and n minus 1 delay elements. Okay, so delay elements. So now the Z transform h of j, impulse response h of z is equal to what? Summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 h of n z power minus 1. So you have to expand this series. So h of 0 plus h of n into z power minus 1 and so on up to h of n minus 1 z power minus of n minus 1. Okay. So now how to write this h of z? Y of z by x of z. Okay. So now this x of z multiply this side. So h of 0 into x of z plus h of 1 into z inverse x of z and so on up to h of n minus 1 into z power minus 1 into x of z. Now you have to draw the structure of transversal. Now the input is x of z into h of 0 into z power minus 1 summation. This is summation. So this part is what? H of 0 into z inverse plus, so this is what? X of z. Okay. So x of z into z inverse. How to get this one? First one is what? First part is what? X of z into h of 0 plus, next part is what? X of z into z inverse into h of n plus, next part is what? X of z, z inverse, h of 2 plus and so on up to z inverse into h of n minus 1 into x of z. Okay, so you are getting the z transform of output, that is y of z. So this is the basic structure of the transversal, or you can call it as this is a direct form structure. Now second realization is a cascade realization. Now this is the cascade form by using a factored form of cascade realization, that is h of z is equal to, for n is odd. If you take n is odd, then h of z is equal to pi of k is equal to 1 to n minus 1 by 2 into bk0 bk1 z inverse plus bk2 z power minus 2. So if you substitute the limits from k is equal to 1 to n minus 1 by 2. So first substitute k is equal to 1, b10 plus b11 z inverse plus b12 z power minus 2. Now substitute k is equal to 2. So this is for k is equal to 2 and last and so on up to what are the limits at the end? N minus 1 by 2. Then substitute b of n minus 1 by 2 to b minus n minus 1 by 2 into 0 plus and up to b of n minus 1 by 2 into 2 z power minus 2. Now this is one term, this is one term and this is one term. Then you have to cascade these cascade equation from k is equal to 1 to n minus 1 by 2. So this is for k is equal to 1. So b10, this is b11 x of b10 plus z inverse b11 plus z inverse b12. So this is one part. Okay. So then you have to cascade this with this one. Then this will be b20 plus this is b21 into z inverse plus b22 into z inverse. Okay, and so on up to next term is what? B of n minus 1 by 2 into 0 and this is b of n minus 1 by 2 into 1 z inverse plus b n minus 1 by 2 into 2 z inverse. Okay, so now if you take for n is even, so n is even means, so here h of z is equal to b10 plus b11 z inverse into k is equal to 2 to n by 2. Okay, now bk0 plus bk1 z inverse plus bk2 z power minus 2. Okay, now k limits you have to take from k is equal to 2 to n by 2. Now first substitute k is equal to 2 and so on up to k is equal to n by 2 into 0 plus n by 2 into 1 plus n by 2 into 2. Okay, now we have to draw the structure for this equation for n is even. If n is even means n minus 1 by 2, that means you can get the limits as even factor. For n is odd means n minus 1 by 2, n minus 1 is nothing but what? You can get even number of factors. Here you can get odd number of factors. Okay, so now for this equation, draw the structure. So first you have to draw this one, B10 plus B11 Z inverse. B10 plus B11 Z inverse. Next part is what? This one, cascade form. B20 plus B21 Z inverse plus B22 Z inverse into and so on. Bn by 2 into 0 plus Bn by 2 into 1 Z inverse plus Bn by 2 into 2 into Z inverse. See the output which is represented as y of n. Okay, so this is the cascade structure. We have to cascade some number of functions